Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Spanish Town and we're giving you an update on the construction of the St. Catherine North Police Divisional Headquarters. Now this is going to be a three-story building located in Spanish Town, and it will coordinate the activities of all the police stations in Spanish Town and the St. Catherine North Division. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The construction of the St. Catherine North Police Divisional Headquarters marks one of the most significant investments in national security infrastructure in Jamaica in recent years. Spearheaded by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the new headquarters represents more than just a modern building. It symbolizes a strategic shift towards stronger law enforcement, improved coordination, and renewed public confidence in policing within St. Catherine. Located in Spanish Town, the historic former capital of Jamaica, the headquarters is being constructed in the community of Darlington. Spanish Town has long been one of the island's largest and most important urban centers. However, over the years, the area has faced serious crime and security challenges. As a result, strengthening policing operations in this region has become a national priority. The St. Catherine North Division covers a wide geographic area, including Spanish Town and surrounding communities. Previously, policing operations were conducted from older, less modern facilities that were not designed to meet the demands of contemporary law enforcement. The new divisional headquarters is designed as a multi-story, state-of-the-art complex equipped with modern technology, improved administrative spaces, and enhanced operational command centers. These features will allow officers to coordinate crime-fighting strategies more efficiently, responding to incidents more quickly, and better manage intelligence and investigative work. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.